This is a refractometer, and essentially you can use it to measure the sugar content of any produce item, including fruits and vegetables. You essentially squeeze a little bit of juice from whatever item you're testing onto here. Then you look through the viewfinder here. Actually, that one's hitting a solid 12. These Harvest Field Navels from Fresno are probably one of the best pieces of citrus we've seen all year. What makes a cara cara? It's a cross between a grapefruit and a navel. See that dark ruby color in there? It gets its ruby from, you know, the ruby grapefruit. It's a little less sweet than the navel at about 11. The key with produce is that acid and sugar mix. Because if you're all sugar, it just tastes sweet. Holy cow. No, this is a 15.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's hit this Mineola. Mineola's got that distinctive little outie. It's not an innie like a navel. It's up around 14. This is gonna have a ton of acid. Only a Meyer can you just like eat it. Grab a kumquat. Okay. One, two, three.
Oh.
You picking up that sugar at the end? Yeah. Next we're gonna do an onion.
Ah.